In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a DKIM key in Salesforce. DKIM, or Domain Keys Identified Mail, is a method of email authentication that helps protect your domain against email spoofing and phishing. By setting this up, you ensure that recipients know emails are truly from your domain, keeping your communication secure and your domain's reputation intact. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Salesforce account. Bear in mind, this process requires administrative access, so make sure you have the necessary permissions to proceed. Once you're logged in, take a look towards the top right area of the interface where you'll see a gear icon. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu. From there, select Setup. This action takes you into a space where you can access various options, crucial for configuring DKIM keys. Here, you'll find the Quick Find box, a nifty tool that allows you to easily navigate to specific settings pages. Type DKIM keys into the search field and click on DKIM keys from the search results. You will now land on the section where you can manage your domain keys. Look for the option to create a new key and click on it. This is your pathway to generating a new DKIM key for your domain. On the Create New Key screen, you'll be prompted to enter some essential details. Begin by providing a selector. This is a unique name that helps identify the DKIM key. It could be something straightforward like Salesforce 1. Next, you'll find an alternate selector option. This feature enables Salesforce to automatically rotate your DKIM keys, thereby enhancing your domain's security. Input another unique name here that corresponds to this function. Then move on to the domain field. Here, you'll input your sending domain, such as example.com. This action specifies the domain for which your DKIM key will be valid. The key size is another crucial setting on this page. It's strongly advised to select the 2048-bit option, as this provides a robust level of encryption. Once all the necessary information is filled out, click Save. By saving, Salesforce generates the vital public DNS entries for your domain. Remember, these entries must be published with your DNS provider to complete the setup. The next phase involves logging into your DNS host or provider, which might be GoDaddy, Cloudflare, Namecheap, or a similar service. You'll need to add a new TXT record using the values generated by Salesforce earlier. This step is fundamental, as it links the DKIM key to your domain, enabling the verification of your emails. Carefully following these steps will ensure your emails are consistently authenticated, helping you guard your domain against potential email threats and maintaining its integrity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.